Alright, I just changed out this brand new board, right? Right? American Standard by Rogers. Real quick story. Gotta read instructions. See, the instructions tell me that the rollout switch is not operated in the pins. Right? So I spent 1 hour. It took me 1 hour to realize that. Because you gotta read instructions, man. Once I realized that, kept giving me a rollout code saying rollout was open, like no, it wasn't open. I kept trying to jump it out and kept saying open. That's when I went back to the manual. Seeing what it say right here. Instead of using physical jumper to bypass it, the rollout input, you gotta go to the configuration settings, number 21, and turn that to yes to bypass the rollout. If you do not, failure to operate is going to cause an error code, the switch to open. So that's what was happening. Kept saying my rollout, which was up here, was open when it wasn't open. I tried to jump it out there, try to jump it out in the pins right here. It's the problem in the pins right here. They don't have an input. Put the rollout on the pins. Only, so you gotta bypass it. That's how you bypass it with the configuration right there. You gotta go selection and say, go to rollout switch, and then hit yes. Take it off no. That's how you configure this right here. You go from this board right here. Standard. From this board. So this the old board right here. And these pins right here, inside of here, they have a rollout to go in that pin, but on this pin right here, they don't. That's why you have to bypass it. So again, you're going from one board to another board. Universal board, you put different pins in it. Go ahead, I had a train. Go ahead and train, take the black pin. Somebody understand to take that pin. White Rogers, the board. You see, this is old White Rogers. You see, new White Rogers. Now, they have heat. So I will place the board right here where it's supposed to go at. Put it all back together and leave it running, leave it in the heat now. It went out heat for 3 days because of this bad board, which was the cause of no heat. As you can see how the board has fragmentation on it. But yeah, switch the board out. But once you switch this board out, you have to go and configure this to bypass that rollout switch in order for you to, it won't give you an error code for it to work. No heat service call, man. WGB Home Care, man. Tight business, man. Put this back together. Work it out, man. So the whole call for this right here was a bad pressure switch. That's what it was telling me. Came here and induced motor wasn't coming on. And let me know it wasn't getting no power. Why I wasn't getting no power? Because the board was getting power, but it wasn't sending the power out. Bad board. Simple. Make sure everything back together nice and neat. Put it back together. So no wires come loose before you put this back together. I'll be thorough when it comes to this wire. And I'm gonna pop off loose, be back out here. I ain't giving no room to work with, but my drill and screw this back up there. So now we're gonna run it. Turn this heat on, see what it's doing. Like I said, man, that inducer motor supposed to come on first, man. They don't come on first, boom. We start with power. Why are we not getting power? Am I getting power to the inducer motor? Yes or no? Yes, I would. No, I was not getting no power. Why I'm not getting power? The board giving the power. Am I getting power to the board? Yes, I was getting power to the board. All right? Black and white, man, power, man. You either getting power or you're not getting power. Why are you not getting it? If you are getting it, the part is bad, man. You're not getting it where you losing it at. See what I'm saying? You're losing it somewhere. Where somewhere you gotta find it. Power, man. Low voltage, high voltage, man. So y'all can see right here. This is the part number. So change out to this board. Right here. It's the old board, it's the new board, and it's the part number. If you want the part number to get from the supply house. So then inducer motor come on, or the operation. Inducer motor come on, turn my light off. Once the pressure switch, opens up, closes up. You gonna hear that? You gonna see that and night light up. That red in here. Click, and that's about to turn Subaru red. See that red in there? Once that thing turn red, you're gonna see that gas valve open up right here. Gas valve open up. Subaru red now. You see that light just getting red. See it right there lighting up. Gas valve open up, boom, burners on, you see more fire. So you got inducer motor, water operation, igniter, flame sensor right now. That's why it's lit. Gas valve open. Last thing, blower motor. The big boy, right here. That thing start blowing. Like I say, inducer motor spins, this opens, and inducer motor closes this. This is filled with a bird or something in them pipes, and nothing happens. Now you got your blower motor on. Now you got heat. I'll let me need heat, man. It's getting cold outside, man.